Mental health is how we think, feel, and act. It's about our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. Just like our physical health, mental health is important at every stage of life. It affects how we handle stress, relate to others, and make choices. We all have mental health, just like we all have physical health. And just like physical health, mental health can be good or bad. It's not just about the absence of mental illness. Good mental health means being able to cope with life's ups and downs. It means feeling good about yourself and having healthy relationships. When our mental health is strong, we can work productively, learn effectively, and contribute to our communities. We can handle challenges, build strong relationships, and enjoy life more fully. Taking care of our mental health is just as crucial as taking care of our physical health. Millions of people worldwide experience mental health challenges at some point in their lives. These can range from periods of stress or sadness to more serious conditions. Anxiety and depression are two of the most common mental health issues. Anxiety can cause excessive worry, fear, and nervousness. Depression can lead to persistent sadness, hopelessness, and loss of interest in things we used to enjoy. Other common challenges include bipolar disorder, eating disorders, and PTSD. If you are struggling, remember that you're not alone and help is available. There are many things you can do to take care of your mental health. Exercise is a great way to boost your mood and reduce stress. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Getting enough sleep is also essential for good mental health. Most adults need around 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Eating a healthy diet and limiting alcohol and caffeine can also make a difference. Talking to someone you trust about how you're feeling can be incredibly helpful. Remember to be kind to yourself and practice self-care. If you're struggling, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Therapists and counselors can provide support and teach you coping skills. Don't suffer alone. Help is available. Please give a like and subscribe for more health videos.